Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can easily add stocks or cryptocurrencies to Watchlist in eToro. So let's start. First, what you want to do is just click on menu. When you're going to click on menu, click here on trade markets. And now you have options to just easily, and arrows here, and I just click here next to the trade, just click on that. And now my watch list, you can also add it to your new list if you want. Create new list. And voila. Here, let's see. Watch list. Nice. And here you got it. Quite simple. And you got also your own watch list that you can have. That's also possible. So this is how we do it. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, ask me down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you. Yeah, thank you. See ya. Goodbye.